Flores here down at Stettler Dodge. Here today I got a 2017 Chrysler PACIFICA that we just got in, and stock number is RT903, so you can go over to our website and get all the details and info there. So we'll have a look at the tires. They look like they have quite a bit of life on there, and they're 18 inches. Then you get that nice Chrysler look with the HID headlights and obviously the fog lights on the side. Nice thing about the Chrysler PACIFICA that we have here is got the power sliding doors, the power lift gate, the remote start, the keyless entry, and you can see how that's just opening up nicely there for us. And as we come around to the back, you'll be able to see the sensors on the bottom here. Obviously you got the stow and go functionality where you can fold them right down. Got the stow and go in the middle there as well. Buttons for the power lift gate here. So I'm just going to press the button here so that it brings the lift gate down, and then you'll be able to see that it has equipped with the backup camera. And like I said, it's got the sensors on the bumper there to help you as you're backing up and make sure you're not hitting anything. And you'll see as well that it's nicely equipped with leather. And then this also comes with like the heated seats. Also comes with the DVD and the headrest inside, and you've got the upgraded technology for the HDMI and USB ports to charge and headphone. It does come with the Bluetooth headsets, or I should say wireless headsets. On the inside of here, there's a button. Nice thing about that, you press that and it's going to bring the seat all the way ahead, whereas in the Dodge Caravan you got to open the door, bring the seat ahead, whereas in this case it just does it for you so that you can easily do the stow and go. So that's always a nice feature, and obviously if you press it again, it's going to bring the seat back for us. Like I said, you grab the door handle, it senses that you have the key, is going to release that lock, and then you can get into it, and then you got your door locks and door windows and power mirrors, button for the fog lights, automatic headlights, and some more other controls. But let's hop on the inside and go through some of the options here. Alright, so here we're on the inside, and then you can see it's nicely equipped with the big panoramic sunroof. Obviously always a nice feature. But we'll start back down in here. You got this nice center console, spot for your cup holders. Nice deep pocket there to kind of store a few bags and stuff like that. And then you got another nice deep pocket inside of here for your change, and I mean, there's lots of room to store things inside. I also believe there's another little thing back here with a couple more cup holders as well, and more storage inside of there. And then you got your slot for your Blu-ray disc player or DVD or CD that you can put in there. And you got your controls for the dual climate control. This does have the start-stop technology, the sensor you can turn off, the traction control. This one is equipped with the nav or GPS. And then you got your automatic dimmer with the mics above it inside of here. Controls for like a panoramic sunroof, a spot for your shades, and garage door opener here, and then the noise cancellations and stuff inside of here. And you can see, maybe you can't see, 22,560 kilometers, and obviously definitely a really nicely equipped unit and well looked after. And for all the other details, please head over to our website and check it out. Or if you have any other questions or want to set up a test drive, give us a call. Thanks for watching.